Hello there, it's Seb from Three Counties Motorhomes and welcome to this video guide on the classic Zig panel here that auto sleepers like to use in a lot of their vehicles, but of course it's not just limited to auto sleepers. So basically, very simple panel. We have here our water level checking. In this section we have our 12 volt systems, and then in here we have our fuses. So let's start with the fuses first. You can peel off this panel and there are your 12 volt fuses for the habitation system, of course. And then that panel will just clip back in place like so. To turn on your 12 volt system, we have a button here. As you can see, it's labeled 12 volt. We flick it down to the on position and that will then turn on your vehicle. You may have seen the lights come on in the background behind me. Then if we're plugged into mains electric and the charger is working, we will have a green light here where it says charger on. Next up, we have the pump button, which we can turn from off to on like so. And you can see we get a green light in this case to indicate that that is indeed on. And then here we have the water level reading. So if I press this, it's going to move this analog needle here and we can see the water level in the tank. I'm trying to move, there we go, it's a bit easier so you can see that happening there. There is a little calibration dial just here to calibrate the needle if you need. But also when I'm holding the read in, we get a battery indicator as well. That LED is either going to be green or red depending on the condition of the battery. And it's as easy as that. That's how you use the panel. I'm Sev. Hopefully you found this video useful and thank you for watching.